Wow, 2023 is nearly over and 2024 is just around the corner. So I thought, what better way than to celebrate with sharing 20 crochet patterns that are perfect to celebrate this New Year's Eve with. Hi, my name is Sterling, and if you've been here before, welcome back. And if you're new here, welcome. On this channel, I share crochet inspiration, tutorials, and a behind-the-scenes look at running my art business. So if you like any and all of those things, make sure to subscribe and join me on Tuesdays each week and occasionally on Saturdays. I also wanted to give a shout out to Eliza. Thank you for the super chat. Your support really means the world to me as I am a one-woman show. So all of your super chats and buy me a coffees really go a long way in helping me to continue on with editing and all of the behind the scenes of running this channel. So thank you. And if you want to support, you can find the buy me a coffee in the description box below or leave me a super chat and I'll shout you out in the next video. So I will be breaking all of these patterns up into 3 different categories: accessories, clothing, and party decor. And so to get started, I will share some accessory patterns with you. This first one is nice and fancy. It's a soiree stole by 2 of Wands. This is a nice piece to throw over your ensemble before hitting the town on your New Year's Eve hang or to the house party. It's cozy but chic and uses 8 skeins of Lion brand Go for Faux yarn. You mainly use the half double crochet stitch to whip it up, and the finished size is 18 inches or 46 centimeters by 68 inches or 173 centimeters. I also really love the little strap in this design that you seam on the end of the stole. It really adds to the nice chic polished look and is also functional. Or you could make a crochet clutch such as the Celestial Clutch by Anu Crochet Designs. This piece is perfect to throw your phone, a small wallet, and a little makeup or a compact mirror into while looking cute and being small enough to bring to the party. You mainly use the single crochet, half double crochet, and star stitch to create it. And to make it, you work a flat panel, then add the fabric lining, and then finish it off by folding it into thirds and then seaming it together. I love the sparkly yarn that they used here, and it's really quick and easy to whip up because it's very repetitive. The chain that they added gives it a nice polished and fancy flair. And this one also has a written pattern as well as a video YouTube tutorial. Crocheting up some special earrings could be fun. Here is a scallop earring pattern by Scallops and Shelsby. The hoop earrings are 24 millimeters or just under 1 inch. If your style is a bit more boho hippie, this could be a really fun one to make. I also really liked these bead crochet earrings by Nyla Jewelry Store. I love how unique and fun this design is, and this particular piece was made with Czech and Japanese seed beads. And I actually haven't crocheted anything with seed beads like this before, but after seeing this design, it makes me really want to try it out. Or you could make a unique necklace like this New Year's necklace by Concept Creative. I thought this one was really stylish and fun, and you mainly use the single crochet to create it. So it's super beginner friendly. There are a lot of pictures with the written pattern and a YouTube tutorial video to help out with the more difficult parts. And I really liked how customizable this one was with the pearl beads or the buttons. You can really make it your own. I always really love a chunky necklace, so I liked this next one. It's the Silver Chunky Necklace by Crochet OK Designs. It's definitely a statement piece and includes a video tutorial as well. You can dress it up or down to go with your ensemble. And this pattern looks pretty beginner friendly and pretty quick to whip up as well. And of course, you could always make a shawl. Here's a really nice glittery one called the Annabelle Shawl by Lion brand. It measures 15 by 66 inches and uses the basic stitches along with double treble and shell stitch to create. This one's also pretty quick to whip up and has a really helpful chart in the pattern. And now I'll share some clothing pieces that you can make. First is one that I've been eyeing off for a while. It's the Light Up Top by Hobby. I love how sparkly the Party Deluxe yarn is on this one, and they have sizes small to extra large. To make it, you work the first sleeve, the front panel, then the back panel, and the second sleeve, and then you create the waist panel and place it between the front and back panel. This one's really fun. You could throw it over a dress or a tube top and really spice up your ensemble and quite literally shine on the dance floor as well. I also really like this Maryland tube top piece by Hobby. It has sizes small to extra, extra large and is a bit more intermediate to create. It uses the 8/8 cotton yarn and flash it yarn, which has a nice sparkle to it. First you make the body, then the neckline strap, and I love the button detailing at the back of this piece with this one as well. I like how chic this one is and the classic glamour sort of feel that it has. Maybe make a fun collar to add on top of your blouse or dress, like this festive collar by Yarnspirations. This one is on the easier side to make, and they have a short collar, medium size, or longer size. The finished width is 4 inches, and I really love the sort of feel that this yarn on this project has. It seems like it also worked up pretty quickly. Another fun and chic one to make would be this 70s star top piece by Indigo Child UK. This one's really chic and it definitely has party Y2K vibes. It has sizes extra small to large, and I imagine that if you make this one, you definitely win best dressed at the party for sure. Another groovy top to whip up is this Flawless Frances top by Sunflower Rays. It's made to measure, so perfect if you're making it for yourself. It's more intermediate, but it could be fun if you're a confident beginner wanting to take things to the next level. I really love the lace detailing on the sleeves and the little peekaboo in the middle. Or if you're wanting to make some flashy bottoms, here is a fun pattern called the Ziggy Flare trousers by Sunflower Rays. This one is great because it looks like it includes a Google sheet where you just plug in the measurements and it has all the stitches done for you, so you don't have to do any math to come up with the stitch count on this one. And this one's pretty easy to customize, as you can make the flares wider or straighter or shorter, or make some shorts if you like. Lastly, for clothing, this one's a bit more ambitious if you want to make it in time for this New Year's, but if you crochet fast, I'm sure you can. It's the New Year's crochet dress by Concept Creative. I had to include this one because it gives me kind of sort of a roaring 20s sort of Art Deco sophisticated style, and it has sizes small to 2XL, which is great. There are also lots of diagrams for each row, so it's really helpful. And now I'll share some party decor patterns that are pretty quick to work up in time. You could make a party hat like this one by Stitch by Faye. This piece works up pretty quickly and is created by starting it off with the magic ring. Then it's worked in a continuous spiral. It measures 4.5 inches. Then you add a pom-pom on top to complete it. And this one could be pretty fun to make with scrap yarns that you have left over and make it really unique. Or you could make some little party hats like these ones by Repeat Crafter Me. This one's really great to put on a little stir that might go into a drink and let people take it home with them, even as a little party favor. This one is made in the round and easy to customize, and it's a fun way to decorate everyone's drinks while also telling them apart at the party. Another great piece to make would be a little bottle decor like this hat and scarf topper by Crochet by Janie B. This one would be pretty quick and easy to whip up, and you could also use it to decorate a little wine bottle or liqueur bottle to gift to a friend for the new year. Decorate your walls with something festive like this crochet banner by Yarnspirations. Each flag is worked back and forth in rows from the lower tip to the top edge, and it mainly uses the single crochet to create. This one would be pretty quick and easy to whip up, and you can use scrap yarns or any color that you'd like to customize it. Or you could make some drink cozies like these crochet cozies by Downs to Earth. This one builds up quickly and takes only about 20 minutes to create or so, and would be a fun way to decorate everyone's drinks at the party to tell them apart. And this one would also be a fun one to use those scrap yarns for and try to get through that scrap yarn pile before the end of the year. Well, I hope you enjoyed my crochet patterns to make for New Year's Eve. If you did, give this video a like and subscribe, and I hope you have a lovely holiday season and New Year's Eve, and thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.